To our future scientists, I am Tolofelo and welcome to today's lesson on the nervous system. Did you know that caffeine is a stimulant? This means it increases activity in your brain and nervous system, and it speeds up bodily functions. By the end of the lesson, you should be able to describe the nervous system, explain the function of the nervous system, explain the main components of the nervous system and describe the main processes. And lastly, you are expected to identify and explain the health issues related to the nervous system. In this lesson, we are going to focus on 5 main concepts, namely description, the functions, the main components, main processes, and lastly, health issues that are related to the nervous system. By now, you are expected to know that activities such as circulation of blood and breathing do not require any thought. If you think about yourself right now, you are not thinking about taking in oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. It is actually an involuntary activity that is controlled by your nervous system. The circulation of blood and the process of breathing are 2 examples of involuntary activities. These activities are controlled by the nervous system. So, we are going to test ourselves to see if we still remember a few concepts that are related to the breathing system and how they are related to the nervous system. So, you are supposed to use the words in the box to answer the questions below. The words in the box are inhale, goblet cells, exhale, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. And the first question or statement says, the name of the gas we breathe in is called. By now, you know that the main gas that we breathe in is called oxygen. And our answer there is oxygen. The next question, when we do something, air enters the body through the nose and mouth. So we've already used the word oxygen. We know that the 2 processes here are inhaling and exhaling. So when we know that when we inhale air, it enters the body through the mouth and the nose. And our answer there is inhale. The next question, the trachea is lined with something to help keep dust out of the lungs. Okay, we know that it is lined with special cells that secrete mucus. So they are from the box with words, we have goblet cells, and goblet cells are cells that are lined in the trachea, or the trachea is lined with goblet cells to help keep the dust out of the lungs. In this lesson, we are going to come across new words, and those new words include the central nervous system, impulse, nerve, neuron, peripheral nervous system, receptors, spinal cord, and stimulus. Let us take a quick break and we will be back shortly with some more.